Thank you very much for this opportunity. I am Rinko Sirega from Sari Mutiara Indonesia University. I am the second year PhD student, Faculty of Nursing, Rin of Songkhla University, Thailand. Today, I'd like to present our research about the title is The Effect of Health Education Using the WhatsApp Internet-Based Application on Family Caregivers' Knowledge about Diet Management in Elderly with Type 2 Diabetes Mellitus at Kutepanang Public Health Center, Central Aceh Regency. Today, I would like to talk about background of study, objective of study, method, result and discussion, conclusion and recommendation. Background: with the increasingly aging population worldwide, more older people are living with diabetes till 2019. In Indonesia is the seventh rank among the 10 countries in the world with the highest numbers of diabetes, which is 10.7 million in 2020. Particularly in Aceh, Indonesia, in last 5 years, 2003 and 2018, there are increasing number of people in older people with diabetes living in the community. One of the most important management of diabetes disease is diet management. Poor knowledge of family caregivers about diabetes will be at risk of 15 times having abnormal blood sugar level in elderly with diabetes. According to International Diabetes Federation 2030, revealed that self-management education should be provided to caregivers because the implementation and planning of a diabetes diet is strongly influenced by the support from family caregiver. Family caregivers should have the good knowledge how to manage the diet. Several studies have been reported that families' knowledge about diet of type 2 diabetes significantly influence the blood sugar of the patient. A study about Visita and Lestari 2020 found that 61.3% have poor of knowledge, caregiver knowledge about diet management, and 89.1% have uncontrolled blood sugar of their elderly in Indonesia. In contrast, the family with high level of education about diet management was influenced the elderly patient adherent of diet as 96.3%. However, several studies in Indonesia reported that most of family caregivers have poor of knowledge about diet management. Therefore, need an intervention to improve the knowledge of family caregiver about diet management of type 2 diabetes mellitus. While regarding the coronavirus disease 2019 pandemic, it is challenge to community nurses to provide health education face-to-face. According to Indonesian regulation about COVID-19, to minimize the spread of COVID-19, the government suggests that information communication, health education, counseling can be conducted by online. WhatsApp is an online media that's very effective with support of its features compared to other instant messaging applications. Indonesian people are more likely to choose WhatsApp as a communication media compared to other chat media. The speed of message without a long time delay, able to operate in weak signal condition, large capacity for sending text, voice, photo, and video data without advertising inference, and the nature of its distribution. However, study health education about diet management of elderly with type 2 diabetes mellitus using WhatsApp media was not found in Indonesia. The objective of study is to determine the effect of health education using the internet-based application WhatsApp on family caregiver knowledge about diet management in elderly with type 2 diabetes mellitus at Kutepanang Public Health Center, Working Area, Central Aceh Regency. Research method: Study design. This study is quasi-experimental with one group pre-test and post-test design. Sample. Our sample is 22 primary caregivers selected with purposefully. Suppose children or grandchildren taking care for elderly with type 2 diabetes at home, have an Android mobile phone, connect with the internet, able to operationalizing the WhatsApp, can read and speak Bahasa Indonesia, age between 18 years and over. For recipient criteria, having diagnosis type 2 diabetes by doctor at Kute Panang Public Health Center, age 16 years, 60 years and over. Instrument, the knowledge of diabetes diet questionnaire Indonesian version was used to measure the family caregivers' knowledge about diet management of diabetes mellitus. The validity and reliability have been tested with Cronbach alpha at 0.950 by Kusnanto 2019. Instrument health education program about diet management was carried out based on theory of diabetes mellitus for type 2 diabetes mellitus developed by Ministry of Health Republic of Indonesia. The educational program activities include discussion, giving question and answer, provide educational by video, image, and PowerPoint. All the topic was performed by WhatsApp media. The topic consists of four. The first, brief information about diet type 2 diabetes mellitus. Second one, type of food recommended for type 2 diabetes. The third one, diet calorie count. The fourth one, meal time. Each topic is 16 minutes, one time per week with 4 weeks. This study conducted on June to July 2020. Data analysis, because the data is not normal distribution, so we use Wilcoxon test with alpha 0.05. Ethical consideration, informed consent was obtained from all family caregiver, and ethical approval was obtained from Sari Mutiara Indonesia University. The result of study, the characteristic of family caregiver caring for elder with type 2 diabetes mellitus. The majority of family caregiver is female, 72.7%. The age 36 to 45. There are 40.9%. The age of recipient 66 to 70, 36.4%. Level of education of family caregiver is a senior high school. There are 40.90%. Statistic test of family caregiver knowledge about diet management of type 2 diabetes mellitus. Knowledge about diet management diabetes. Before intervention, the mean of knowledge is 11.90 and standard deviation 2.058. And after receiving health education about diabetes by WhatsApp, the mean score knowledge is 18.18 and standard deviation 1.593. With the p-value is 0.00. It means that the education of family caregiver about diet management is increased. Discussion, it is clear that a health education program by using the internet-based application WhatsApp increase the family caregiver's knowledge about diabetes management for elderly with type 2 diabetes mellitus. Our result showed that The knowledge about diet management after receiving health education program through WhatsApp was higher than before. The knowledge increased by 6.23. This finding was similar with study conducted by Handayani in May 2020, found that the knowledge of pregnant women in early detection of preeclampsia during the COVID-19 pandemic at Simo Hospital Indonesia was significant increase after receiving the health education by using WhatsApp media. Providing information through WhatsApp can help caregivers of the elderly and families to gain easily brief information about type 2 diabetes mellitus in elderly, type of food recommendation for type 2 diabetes, diet calorie count, and meal time at home. This health education method also provides flexibility for family to assess the lesson, provides opportunity for the family to learn independently, and provides relatively more efficiency. This online learning method also make it easier for nurses to provide education without having not meet directly with respondent or educational target. It is more efficient in place, time, and cost. Afnibar and Fajriani 2020 study states that online education has benefit, including teacher and learner can communicate easily without being limited by distance, time, and place. Our conclusion is health education online program by using WhatsApp media significantly increase the family caregiver knowledge about diet management for the elderly with type 2 diabetes mellitus at Kute Panang Public Health Center, Central Aceh Regency. Our recommendation, nurses in the community can provide online health education about diet management of the elderly with type 2 diabetes mellitus for family caregiver by using WhatsApp media. That's all our presentation. Thank you very much. Kapunka Sawadika.